Let's have a round two, Big Bird.
He will never learn.
Say goodbye, Spin Bird. I actually won? Shut up! Now what?
Stop posting about Among Us!
We got a #1 victory royale.
These nuts.
Where's my radio? I just need it for my favorite song. Why is this place so empty? Not how I remember it.
I think I did pretty good.
I thought I lost you. I'll never do that again. Let's get out of here. Those two idiots are far too dangerous to be around.